Let me ask you something. Have you been struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? Maybe you've tried skipping meals, cutting carbs, or doing endless crunches, but your waistline hasn't really changed. Or maybe you feel bloated all the time. Your clothes feel tighter, and no matter how much water you drink or how many salads you eat, your stomach just won't flatten. I get it. Belly fat is not only frustrating, it can make you feel sluggish, uncomfortable, and even less confident in your own skin. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of the most powerful fat-burning drinks you can make at home using just 3 natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: ginger, cinnamon, and lemon. When combined the right way, these 3 work together to help speed up your metabolism, reduce bloating, and encourage your body to burn stored fat, especially around your belly. And the best part? You can start feeling lighter, more energized, and less bloated in as little as 10 days without starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. Why this drink works? The science in simple terms. 1. Ginger, the metabolism accelerator. Ginger is a root with a natural compound called gingerol. This compound increases thermogenesis, meaning it slightly raises your body temperature, causing you to burn more calories even while resting. Ginger also reduces inflammation, improves digestion, and helps regulate appetite, so you naturally eat less throughout the day. 2. Cinnamon, the blood sugar stabilizer. Cinnamon contains powerful antioxidants called polyphenol and a compound called cinnamaldehyde. It helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, which is crucial because high blood sugar can trigger fat storage, especially in the belly area. Stable blood sugar also means fewer cravings for sugary snacks, which makes it easier to stick to healthy eating. 3. Lemon, the detox and digestion booster. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps your body process fat more effectively. It's also a natural diuretic, meaning it helps reduce water retention and bloating. The citric acid in lemon supports healthy digestion and helps flush toxins from your system, both of which can make your stomach look flatter in just a few days. Ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger, or 1 teaspoon dried ginger powder, 1 cinnamon stick, or 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 fresh lemon, 2 cups water, 1 teaspoon honey, optional for taste. Step-by-step recipe with detailed tips. Step 1. Prepare the ginger. Take a fresh ginger root and peel off the thin skin using a spoon or knife. Fresh ginger is best for this recipe because it contains more active compounds and essential oils than powdered ginger. Grate about 1 tablespoon worth. If you only have powdered ginger, you can use 1 teaspoon, but be aware the flavor will be stronger and slightly more bitter. Step 2. Prepare the cinnamon. If you have a cinnamon stick, set it aside. Cinnamon sticks give a smoother flavor and release their benefits slowly during simmering. If you only have ground cinnamon, you'll add it later after the water is boiled to prevent it from clumping too much. Step 3. Boil the water. Pour 2 cups of water into a small saucepan and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. You don't want it boiling too aggressively. A light bubble is enough to infuse the flavors without losing too many nutrients. Step 4. Add ginger and cinnamon. Once the water is boiling, add your grated ginger and cinnamon stick. If you're using powdered cinnamon, wait until after simmering to add it. Lower the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. This slow simmer helps extract all the beneficial compounds from the ginger and cinnamon into the water. Step 5. Add lemon. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Cut your lemon in half and squeeze the juice from 1/2 into the mixture. Slice the other half into thin pieces and drop them in for extra flavor and a boost of vitamin C. Adding lemon after turning off the heat helps preserve its nutrients and prevents bitterness. Step 6. Optional sweetness. If you prefer a slightly sweeter taste, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey not only improves flavor, but also has antibacterial and soothing properties. Just remember, if your goal is weight loss, keep sweetness minimal. Step 7. Strain and serve. Strain the liquid into a cup to remove the ginger and cinnamon pieces. Your drink should have a warm golden brown color, a slightly spicy aroma from the ginger, and a fresh citrus scent from the lemon. This is your belly fat burner in a cup. How to drink for maximum results. To get the most out of this drink, timing is everything. Best time to drink. Have 1 cup first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before breakfast. This kickstarts your metabolism for the day and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. For faster results, drink a 2nd cup in the evening, about 30 minutes before dinner. This helps control appetite and prevents overeating at night. Duration: repeat daily for 10 days straight. Combine this drink with healthy eating and light exercise for the best chance at losing up to 10 kilos in 10 days. Additional tips to boost your results. While this drink is powerful, it's not magic. You'll get the best results if you pair it with these simple habits. Stay hydrated. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Proper hydration helps flush toxins and prevents water retention. Eat balanced meals. Fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with healthy carbs. Move your body. At least 20 to 30 minutes of walking or light exercise daily can speed up results. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep increases cortisol levels, which promotes belly fat storage. Be consistent. Drink this every day for 10 days. Missing days will slow your progress. Safety notes: important. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have stomach ulcers, gallstones, or take medication for blood sugar or blood pressure, speak with your doctor before starting this drink. Ginger and cinnamon are potent and may interact with certain conditions or medications. My personal perspective and recommendation. Before we wrap this up, I want to share something personal with you. A while back, I was stuck in a cycle of starting diets, feeling motivated for a few days, then quitting because it all felt too extreme and exhausting. I would scroll through social media, see these miracle products and harsh detox teas, and honestly, they were either overpriced, unrealistic, or just didn't fit into my life. Then I started going back to basics. I looked at ingredients that have been used for centuries in different cultures for digestion, energy, and wellness. That's how I stumbled on this combination of ginger, cinnamon, and lemon. The first time I made it, I remember the aroma filling my kitchen, that spicy warmth from the ginger, the comforting sweetness from the cinnamon, and the fresh brightness from the lemon. I drank it first thing in the morning, and within days, I noticed my stomach didn't feel as heavy, my jeans fit a little looser, and my energy stayed more stable throughout the day. Now, don't get me wrong, this drink isn't some magic potion. You can't drink it and then go binge on fried foods and expect miracles. But when you use it alongside mindful eating and light movement, it really does help your body let go of that stubborn water weight and stored fat. It's now part of my personal morning routine, and I recommend it to friends, family, and anyone who wants a simple, natural way to kickstart their weight loss journey. So my advice to you is this: commit to yourself for just 10 days. Make this drink every morning, stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and get some movement every day. Pay attention not just to the scale, but to your digestion, your energy levels, and how your clothes fit. And remember, you're not just doing this to look a certain way. You're doing it to feel lighter, healthier, and more confident in your own skin. That feeling is worth every single lemon you slice and every cinnamon stick you simmer. Your health isn't built on one big decision. It's built on small, consistent choices you make every day. This drink is one of those choices. So tomorrow morning, boil that water, grate that ginger, slice that lemon, and start your 10-day challenge. When you look in the mirror after those 10 days, I want you to feel proud of yourself, not just for the results you see, but for showing up for your own health. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, here's to your health, your happiness, and your best self.